es gracia amo the coffee. So when we talk about high standards, nasem Akufo bekabia.
Welcome to the Political Round with me, the voice right on Ghana MTV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. NDC for adia mu pese yemfa ye omu no enwa na mu pese omu fanye nipo enwa adia odi be ye NDC ni enye ne de no onyawa enu no odi be ye onya kranka obe ye ni west NDC for sana musuba entie asema ba aye ya ye nua abrante samejemfi na mani hono na asem no se na yese kokora na yemu bebre yen pese yen ka ho asem bebre sanse nipa temi ye boni na nipa ye boni so a eto de bia ye di che nipa no. So we are kind of trying to tone down on this whole commentary, but bearing in mind say asem a yesi no anka ye obi asem aka ye NPP ni bi and asem we si won so a anka sami je fi okrom ha. Hey, anka from one radio station to the other, from one to the other, jumping, passing commentaries, saying things that are not supposed to be said. But this is a young, brilliant guy. So Ghanaians are kind of turning down. Now AyEka NDC communicator be say, I say, yeah, NPP man, I say NPP phone, yeah, Ghana phone wenti. Omukasa ma yenkebi. Hey, but you see, this is the same mistake NPP yeah. Akolandi omu into opposition and that move from micro minority. Same mistake see. Who are buying more? Who kasane how kasate say a china ni hono. Where na the NPP kwa by opposition? That kind of ENT will be a lifestyle. Say Akufo bekasa almost 57% no bekasa. That's how 57%. What is the total representation about Ghana's population? You had 6 million votes. Ghana's population is 33 million. I don't want to go school. You have 6 million votes. Ghana's population is 33 million. And here this has 6 million in actual sense is about almost 1/5. Not even almost 1/5 of Ghana's population. And yes, sir, when your overwhelming majority be of Ghanaians that have voted for you that say no kasa muse mayen kasa. 1/5 of the population. 1/5, not even 1/3 or 1/5.
Yeah, now yemu bi yenya problem kakra. Say, wo bekabi ayede nipa edi nkomo. Na mpetu preso ene na machire hwe nipa edi nkomo. Jai nipa 57% na e Ghana ha no. Ni ni nkomo.
Ni enkan
yas me hold on me problem o.
Okay. Because the NC we feature na anu ya.
Anybody can criticize Samejemfi, okay. But and yes Debbie I see and say anybody at all can criticize Samejemfi, but Debbie more wenum yet kroma ma obabesia ebe ka kire ye se Akufo Addo ayire no hwe Akufo Addo ayire oba dey ya Akufo Addo odun okoyire obi yet kroma oba akofa eye tapes eya Serwaa Broni ne yam bo over again and tell me say NPP with moral right to talk about morality. No, say, more can I say? What can I say? A groma yana near you. Young go baby. mo free so ni boso mi enum asa de mo kwa tra ba bi ni mo adane popufuo bi
na maba
yeti kroma. So when we talk about morals, na se sankrofo we ba be ka bia e na me busa me ho say why na e kasa no hello why na e kasa no for na e kasa no. And you see, we can't allow, I don't want to use, but yet be master Akufo way num afenyo marking way num afenyo marking a moral issue. What was sex obi ama menko ya no yan kan say e wini ba what was sex nkola nsia obi ama menko 6 different families. Yeah, the moral issue. You have any common?
I don't know wife now back on that when my flower.
Minim.
Say sexy dear because
all worry one frame. You say, well, won't see and call out different. You don't have any common. You have become moral issues. There be. Now, standard no John Mahama asset no. You know, and I must say no. Sami Jemfi asem we no abeyen komo
a set standard
standard no a oluma asset no a enti saa obi akoba bi wa hu obi wa cha na de wa cha ni sika oh
afere ekoti awon si Serwaa Broni na mu NDC fo to de bi awon bibi hamu Felisofo kwache enya ha na ye na yeti ena video be pie yere say they caught him in a married woman's house enya ha na ye na ye wo ya bibi ha mo ya bibi touch wo my dream when issues serious issues obi oye a government appointee 4 months in power or say on spending CDBO dollars no spending dollar no soon was spending recklessly. Meanwhile your budget gold board a man of $300 million say on call is a good board and to say na ya want some if you use dollars we have the right to talk about it, we have the right to question it, we have the right to demand accountability. Now continue radio just because you have a microphone before you, cameras was 20 NPP for the more and yes sir yen taxes gold board no NDC for there sika gold no for only NDC people, so we cannot have a right to talk about things when they are not going on right. How dare you? And these are the people who are communicating for NDC. These are the people who are going on radio to speak on behalf of NDC. And these are the people that Ghanaians have handed over this nation for the next decisive 4 years ahead of us. Wemu namu yadi omaina momo. Omaya kasabisi. 4 months, 5 months, Broni. And they could do 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. This has been a political rant with me, the voice right on Ghana 7 TVGH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, will be notified. Until then, bye-bye, cheers. See you in the next one.